So I am going to do just one more question, just one, then we are wrapping up. And in this particular question, we need to just compare these two pie charts. And in us comparing the two pie charts, they told us the two pie charts, A and B, below represent the income and expenditure of the South African tertiary institutions. I am not going to be answering the questions on this, but I'm going to just explain what is happening in this particular place. Like I said to you guys, it is really, really important how to represent and how to calculate based on representations. So the pie chart, we are given in billions again, billions of rands all over again. So you know that the income and expenditure of this tertiary institution and what's happening with it. So the income of the tertiary institutions is 63 billion and the expenditure is 43.1. Spending is way less. And these pie charts are exactly, if not just a little different to the pie charts that we got in the previous one. Like I said, I'm not getting any questions here, but I'm just going to be explaining what's happening here. So we've got the donations, which is over there. Other sources, we're not sure what other sources are. We've got fees, and then we've got tuition fees, and that should make up the 63 billion rand. And then in the expenditure, we've got the other. So the other could literally be anything. And then the interest that the institution has to pay, maybe the institution is paying interest to whoever. And then we've got the salaries that the institution is, and then we've got the goods and the services that are rendered here. So this is another question that is very similar to the question that we did before that. And it's really useful for you to go in first and analyze what it is exactly that I am being given, so that when the question does come in, when I do read the question, I am not panicking about what I am being asked. Do not be scared to read your question once, read your question twice, read your question over and over again. Thank you much for tuning in. We were busy with income and we were busy with compound interest. We saw the different ways of how to do it, and we also went through banking and inflation. I hope that you found this lesson useful. Please do tune in again next week. We are going to be doing more math literacy and preparing for our upcoming exam. Liberty, our sponsor, for sponsoring us. Thank you so much to everyone who sent their questions. Thank you. I will be next week again.